Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County and northeast Illinois, west central Will County and northeast Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Plainfield to 6 miles west of Minooka and moving east at 45 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms.
Oh my God!
80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Romeoville and Shorewood around 6:55 p.m.
And this is what it looks like at my place.
Ingalls Park around 7:05 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Crystal Lawn, Fairmont, Crest Hill, and Preston Heights. This is an extremely dangerous situation.
Oh my God!
Speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Holy crap! This is more serious than I think.